What financial tools funded American slavery? Imagine a system where human lives became not just labor but also financial assets. That's exactly how slavery was supported by a web of money tools that made it grow and last. These tools turned enslaved people into property that could be bought, sold, and used as security for loans. Banks in the South, and some in the North, accepted enslaved individuals as collateral. This meant plantation owners could borrow money by pledging their enslaved workers. If they failed to pay back, the bank could seize and sell those enslaved people to recover their money. This practice helped planters expand their land and enslaved workforce, fueling the growth of slavery. Another tool was the use of mortgages and bonds backed by enslaved people. Just like land or buildings, enslaved individuals could be included in mortgage agreements. Their value was appraised and used to secure large loans. These loans could be bundled into financial instruments and sold to investors for away from the South. This process, called financialization, meant that even people who didn't own enslaved people could profit from slaver's wealth. Cotton factors, or agents, played a big role in connecting Southern plantations with markets in the North and abroad. These agents provided credit to planters, often accepting cotton as payment. The cotton, grown by enslaved labor, was then sold to manufacturers in the North and overseas. The profits from these sales were reinvested into more land or enslaved workers, expanding slavery's reach even further. Insurance companies also helped protect investments in enslaved people. Owners could buy policies that paid out if an enslaved person died or escaped. This made enslaved individuals even more valuable as assets because owners could get compensation if something happened to them. The money made from slavery did not vanish after the Civil War. Many Northern banks and companies kept benefiting from profits made during slavery. Some of the biggest fortunes in American history were built on enslaved labor, and those wealths were passed down through generations. This history still influences the racial wealth gap and economic disparities today. Looking at this from Black American history shows how slavery was not just a social issue, but an economic system that shaped the nation. The fight for economic justice and reparations is connected to understanding these financial tools. Knowing how slavery was funded helps us see its full impact on American society and the ongoing struggle for fairness and equality.